Welcome to Life Coaching with Jane Baldwin and this guided audio on mindful yawning and stretching. This exercise is best done standing to allow for a full intake of breath. However, sitting or lying down is also okay. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes and let your focus gently rest on your breathing. Do this without judgment or trying to change it. Now for the first yawn. Take a deep breath in through your mouth as you stretch your mouth wide open. As you exhale through your mouth, make a sighing sound out loud. Don't worry if you don't feel like yawning or don't believe you can. Just fake it. Each one you do will bring you nearer and nearer to a natural yawn. Let's do 4 more together. And again. Last one. Now very, very slowly stretch your arms. Next, do a relaxed and very slow head rotation. Take at least 1 minute to go all the way round. Don't overstretch your neck. Go slower and slower and slower. Notice how relaxed you now feel, both in your body and mind. Finally, open your eyes, gently yawn, and stretch your arms one last time as you become aware of your surroundings.